Welcome to Learning Easier. Today we're going to learn about interrogative pronouns. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Examples: I, he, she, his, her, me, we, they, who, and etc. Noun. A noun is a word that describes a person, place, or thing. Interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun is a pronoun used to ask a question in a sentence. Examples for interrogative pronouns are who, what, which, whom, and whose. Less common interrogative pronouns, which begin with WH and end with ever, are whoever, whatever, whichever, whomever, and whosever. Examples for interrogative pronouns in a sentence. Who is your class teacher? Who is the interrogative pronoun in that sentence because it is used to ask questions. Which is the world's largest island? Which is the interrogative pronoun present in the sentence? What is your name? What is the interrogative pronoun and present in the sentence? Whom did you see yesterday? Whom is the interrogative pronoun present in the sentence? Whom did they invite? Whom is the interrogative pronoun present in the sentence? Whose is the interrogative pronoun in the sentence? Whose bag is that? Whatever did you say? Whatever is the interrogative pronoun in that sentence because it is a pronoun that is used to ask questions. Whomsoever did you search? Whomsoever is the interrogative pronoun present in the sentence. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Write your comments in the comment box. Subscribe, like the bell button. Follow Learning Easier Instagram.